Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, potatoes in green salsa, that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare the potatoes in green salsa, these are the ingredients: salt, black pepper, potatoes, Russell potatoes, 2 jalapenos, 3 garlic cloves, half an onion, and of course, frozen tomatillos that I know you guys are really going to love this recipe. So let's get started. I want to start with the frozen tomatillos. Yes, frozen tomatillos. You could use fresh tomatillos, but when the tomatillos are in sale, I try and buy extra and then I freeze them. And here I'm going to start, let them getting nice and mushy. Here I have the garlic cloves that I'm just going to press just like that. I'm not going to dice. I just want the garlic to release all the amazing flavors into the oil. I have the half an onion that I'm gonna square in pieces. I have my 2 jalapenos. If you don't like spicy food, you could omit the jalapenos, but the jalapenos are not too spicy. I am going to remove the seeds and the core so that this green salsa comes out delicious. Look at this. Now I am going to continue with the potatoes. The potatoes I'm going to slice from the edges and then I'm going to take the skin off. This is a very delicious, easy and simple recipe. You could enjoy this amazing recipe with chicken, with meat, with seafood, you decide. But once you make these potatoes in green salsa, you are really going to enjoy them. You can even have them for breakfast with scrambled eggs or over easy eggs, you decide. But once you've cubed your potato, you are going to go ahead and we are going to add the onion, the chile jalapenos, the onion into the hot oil. This is vegetable oil. The reason that I'm adding all these ingredients in here is because I want the oil to really get infused with these amazing flavors. In the same oil, I'm going to add the potatoes. So that's why I'm trying to get all these flavors really infuse the oil. We're not going to get them nice and crispy. Once you start receiving the aroma of the onion, the garlic, and of course the jalapenos, you are ready to remove. Let me tell you, this salsa comes out delicious, amazing, and I'm sure that once you make this easy recipe of potato in green salsa, you're going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. Once they are releasing all those amazing aromas, I am ready to remove. Once I remove all the onion, garlic, and jalapenos, I am ready to add the potato that is already nice and cubed. I want to get it nice and crispy. While the potato is getting nice and crispy, I'm adding the salt, I'm adding the black pepper, and I'm just going to incorporate. Remember to add enough salt to your potato. The potato really is going to absorb all those amazing flavors. Look at this. I am sure you're going to love this recipe. And here, my tomatillos are already boiling. I am ready to remove and start blending. Let me show you. I'm going to add the tomatillos here with no juice, just the tomatillos. And of course, I'm going to add the onion, the garlic, and the jalapenos into it. And now we're going to blend away for a couple minutes. Once this is done, the potatoes are now nice and crispy. I am ready to add it directly. The salsa added in here. And of course, I'm going to add the rest of the liquid where the tomatillos were cooking into my blender cup to get it nice and clean and to add that liquid into my sauce. Once you add it, remember, taste your sauce. If it needs a little more salt, add it. And of course, this is the time to add your black pepper. I am going to whisk it in. It needs a little more salt. I'm going to add it in here. And then I'm going to cook it in medium heat for about 10 minutes, no more than 10 minutes. You want your potato to still be nice and firm so that it doesn't lose its shape. Look at this. My home really smells delicious. I can't wait to enjoy it. You want your potatoes to be al dente, not to be overcooked. So just cook them in medium heat for 10 minutes. And then let me show you how they should be. They should have a little bit of density when you put the fork inside. Look at this. This is exactly how you want your potato. The potato is going to stay in the salsa, so it's gonna cook a little more. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Thank you so much for being part of my family. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. I am ready for the presentation. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing potatoes and green salsa. You could eat it and combine it with any kind of meat. Fish, red meat, chicken, shrimp. You decide, even for a breakfast with some scrambled eggs. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. This is nice and hot. Let me try it. I know that once you make them, you're gonna continue enjoying this amazing recipe. Excuse me. The potato, it's still al dente. The salsa, the tomatillos gave this potato an amazing flavor. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious recipe for your holidays. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing potatoes in this green, delicious salsa. See you soon. Bye-bye.